is no surprise that obesity is becoming and is a major issue in the United States and worldwide today. We know that obesity puts us at much higher risk for developing many different diseases and also makes it more difficult to breathe, sleep, and do things that we normally would do if we were not obese. In order to determine if someone is obese, we still use a BMI calculator, body mass index, which takes into account your weight and your height to determine where you stand as far as if you are in a healthy weight or if you are overweight or obese. I have linked a BMI calculator down below, so feel free to check it out to see where you stand. A normal BMI is between 18 and 24.9. 25 to 29.9 is considered overweight, and then 30 plus is considered obese, and we have different classes of obesity. BMIs are still very important, and they still help us point out to patients where they stand and if we need to talk about their weight or not. Obesity puts you at higher risk for diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, heart disease, including strokes and heart attacks, sleep apnea, which is a disorder in which you stop breathing for short periods while you're sleeping, asthma, and also certain cancers are linked with obesity. What are some things that put us at higher risk for becoming obese? Believe it or not, obesity starts before you're even born, because according to UpToDate, a mother's habits during and after pregnancy, so people who eat a lot of calories, have diabetes, or smoke during pregnancy have a higher chance of having babies who are obese as adults. And also, babies who drink formula might be more likely than breastfed babies to develop obesity later on in life. This is according to UpToDate. Also, habits and weight gain during childhood. For example, children or teens who are overweight or have obesity are more likely to become or have obesity as they are adults. Sleeping too little? Yes. So if you're not getting enough sleep, that is actually linked to higher chances of becoming obese than people who get regular sleep and the right amount of sleep. Taking certain medications, we know the long-term use of certain medications like antidepressants can cause obesity. For this reason, some patients who gain weight because of their medications, I will normally contact their psychiatrist and I will discuss the possibility of changing the medications around so we can use medications that do not cause weight gain. Fortunately, there are antidepressants now that are weight neutral, so patients can still get the benefit of getting an antidepressant without all the weight gain. There are some hormonal conditions like PCOS that are linked to causing obesity. For this reason, I do manage PCOS and we work closely with these patients to do things that we can do to normalize their hormones and help them lose weight. Some things that you can do to lose weight, obviously, is be as active as you can. If you are overweight or obese, I normally recommend touching base with your family doctor or whoever your primary doctor is, coming up with a plan and ways that can help you lose weight. Normally, things will include like staying more active, increasing your activity, because we know inactivity is such a big issue with obesity and becoming overweight. So start slow. I normally recommend a few minutes a day and then gradually increasing it to about 30 to 40 minutes on most days of the week. Another one is watching your portion sizes, trying to stay away from sweets and refined sugars, no soda or sweets. Usually I only recommend water, and of course incorporating more fruit, more vegetables, and lean proteins. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment below, let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you all on the next video.